Hello there guys, it's me Ames. In today's video I want to see what's inside this bag. The director of the school Happy Corner bought a gift and every workers in Happy Corners they distribute one bag. So let's see what's inside this. I don't know if this is pastries, cookies or what. Kasi 5 kami nabigyan ng ganito. So, ano to? Sky Mending Day, the treasure. Wow. Ano kayang laman nito? Let's open. Okay. Ayan. Sirain na lang natin. Ganito lang pala ang laman. Wow, patatabain nila ako nito. It's a pancake. Really? Ito lang ang laman nito pala. 4 pieces of pancake. See? Ang cute naman. Thank you so much for the director of the school. Thank you so much, Dr. U, for the gift. Yan. And this one is for my grandma. Pineapple cake. Mas bit ko to kasi mas masarap to diba? But they choose to give this one, so it's okay. Well, thank you so much guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.